The new college Danielle, Jordan, Maggie, and I created is the Pineapple Institution of Media. Today we're going to explain the elements of the P21 rainbow used in our curriculum here at PIM. The first part of the rainbow is content knowledge and 21st century themes and how it is shown through our goals in our program. The goals we have at our institute is to emphasize a deep understanding instead of a basic, shallow knowledge. Another goal we have for our students is to be able to efficiently work in groups and collaborate to achieve a common goal. The fundamental subjects we teach are world languages, mathematics, science, and history.
The second part of the rainbow is learning and innovation skills, which increasingly are being recognized as the skills that separate students who are prepared for increasingly complex life and work environments. The 4 C's are incorporated in the learning and innovation skills and essential to thrive in the work world and our lives. The first C is critical thinking. This is where we analyze, interpret, evaluate, solve problems, and make decisions. An example of this could be video conference that conducts first-hand interviews with experts, or graphic organizers that illustrate a data collected in a classroom. The second C is communication. Students' ability to share info while expressing thoughts and opinions clearly to others. And this requires strong listening and evaluation skills. An example of this could be verbal, written, multimedia messages, or online conversations. The third C is collaboration, and students' ability to work with others to accomplish goal. And students partner up and work on a project together. They can either make observations, record data, or share results. Lastly, the fourth C is creativity. This is when brainstorming, refining ideas, responsive to ideas, make ideas tangible and useful for others. An example of this could be creating campaigns for an upcoming school event.
In our curriculum, a type of assessment implemented would be students taking part in project-based learning. PBL is a set to prepare students for academic, personal, and career success and readies young people to rise to the challenges of their lives and the world they will inherit. Connecting academic situations to the real world is one of the largest benefits of project-based learning. Additional benefits to having students learn by project-based learning is that it develops the student's ability to work with his or her peers, building teamwork and group skills. It also allows the teacher to learn more about the student, giving them a more personal learning experience. When it comes to teachers, they should ensure that students have real-world opportunities to apply and demonstrate their mastery of key concepts and skills. In our curriculum, for example, in a certain class, students will learn something from the lecture and then go somewhere and apply it as if a real-world situation. Educators should develop personal learning communities. We want to create a program to engage educators in engaging units that incorporate big ideas. We will bring teachers together for in-depth peer review sessions that will strengthen the overall quality of their 21st century skill units and assessments. These sessions will provide teachers time to share their thinking and learning with peers to enhance their personal learning communities and networks.
The third part of the rainbow is information, media, and technology skills. In our curriculum, technology, education, and tech use is included with social media. An example of this that could be incorporated in the classroom would be Skype. Skype has their own network for educators that can link classrooms based on what you teach and the projects you're interested in doing. And Twitter could be used by having all students set up a Twitter account, and they will use for academic purposes and create a class hashtag. This could be used for homework assignments such as an article about something they're studying, or retweet another tweeter's tweet about a topic they're studying.
When it comes to life and career skills, we want to help our students develop thinking skills, content knowledge, and social and emotional competencies to navigate complex life and work environments. We're going to have workshops teaching students multiple different skills, including how to manage goals and time by balancing short-term and long-term goals and utilizing time and manage workload efficiently, how to manage projects by setting and meeting goals, even in the face of obstacles and competing pressures, adapting to change by acknowledging how it is important to be able to adapt to varied roles, job responsibilities, and schedules and context. Go Buckles.